I've been eyeing this espresso maker for 2 years. I finally grabbed one, the Terra Kaffe TK-02. Let's check it out. I am so freaking excited. We got the quick start guide. Woo, let's go. Look at that beauty.
Is that already on or is that just a sticker? Wait, how could it be on? It's not plugged in.
We're gonna ignore that and keep moving on here. It's beautiful. It comes in white or black. We chose white. First impression right out the box, this thing is beautiful. I cannot wait to give it a try. I definitely feel like it's something that is not just gonna make awesome espresso. I think it's gonna really elevate the space. We're gonna make it a little coffee bar. We're actually gonna move it into the other room and we're gonna put it on my armoire.
Armoire? Yeah, I think it's an armoire.
Armoire?
Yeah.
And we're gonna make that kind of like a real chill vibe. We already sit there and listen to music, so we figure what better way to kind of really enjoy our espresso is just to put some tunes on, make a nice espresso, a cappuccino, since that is probably one of my and Serena's favorite things to do is just to sit back, relax on the weekend and have a cappuccino. So we're actually gonna go bring it in there now.
Can you carry it?
How many flips, right?
What was that?
Saying I can't pick it up?
I mean, it's heavy. Don't drop it.
All right, I love the way it looks with the wood. The white really pops. Now let's plug it in and try it out.
Oh, God.
Talking about the water filter, letting me know that it's going to alert me when the drip tray needs to be empty, which is pretty cool. It's going to alert me when it needs to be refilling. So it's actually interesting. We've never actually used full beans before. We've always used pre-ground.
Who uses full beans?
My mother uses full beans and they grind it themselves. So this is just telling me that the beans go in the big hopper, and if you're going to use pre-ground, then they go into the smaller hopper.
So it will grind it for you?
Yes.
That's cool.
So with the app, you can customize drink and espresso profiles and then brew from the app.
Yes, I saw you can start brewing while you're in bed.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. So I think this is super cool. I love the fact that it does everything for you and it's just super easy.
And you could do grinds or beans,
Yeah.
hot or cold.
It's your barista.
Yeah, it's a barista.
Now, do they have like an additional croissant maker? Because then we would be golden.
Oh, that would be amazing.
I'm so excited for this. I really am. Run hot water once and espresso twice to run everything through, clean it out, and then we get to have some espresso. We were super excited about the new espresso machine. We went out and bought some new espresso cups.
So cute.
I love the little glazing on the bottom.
Now we keep them on display.
So the time has come. We were gonna make our first drink with the Terra Kaffe TK-02. Let's get to it. I added milk, hatched to froth it to the machine. But first things first, let's get to the outfit. So the shirt is fixed. This is part of a set. It comes with matching shorts. I absolutely love the set. I layered it with a plain tank from Hanes. I got the Brighton belt. Yes, this is a women's belt, but who would know if I didn't tell you. I got some vintage trousers. I don't know who makes them. The boots also are thrifted from a flea market in Beacon. They have it every Sunday. These are Lucchese, which I absolutely love. Degs and Sal. This is from the Steel Shop. The Pony Express. This was a gift from my wife and son. Clocks and Colors. The Steel Shop. And now I'm just gonna hit cappuccino. Cappuccino is done.
I like the cup.
Oh yeah, got a nice frothy milk on top. Check this out, Halloween fangs.
We gotta learn how to do those designs. That'd be cool.
Here's how I style an outfit and make a cappuccino at the same time.
You are a vibe, my friend.
It's so good. It tastes just like when we go to Hakan and get our cappuccinos. What's up, dude?
Hi guys, I'm here.
So that voiceover she does, whenever Banks is in the room, she talks as if she's...
Yeah, I can't help it.
Oh, hi guys. Oh, I just took a nap and now I'm stretching.
Oh, you're the sweetest little guy.
Mommy, are you taking my picture now?
Say hi. You wanna go out? Oh, there it is.
Alright guys, so I just made my first espresso using the Terra Kaffe TK-02. Delicious. Tastes just like an espresso that I would order out. I've really been having fun like trying out new coffee beans because I've never actually used like full coffee beans before. Usually I get the pre-ground ones. So much better. You can definitely tell the difference in flavor. So far I've made cappuccino for me and Serena, and I've actually made the americanos before I go to work in the morning. Looking forward to making affogato, because I've never had one. I've never even like seen one before, but I see them on Instagram all the time.
I don't even know what that is. Babe, where's the robe from? People always ask.
So the robe is from Pendleton. I'm actually gonna get ready now, and we're going to a little family party, so I'm gonna style a fit for you guys, so stay tuned for that. I almost forgot. You know how I said that I wish I had my own little croissant maker? Am I hanging out here? So you can go to Trader Joe's and they have these frozen croissants that you leave out overnight. They puff up and they get nice and fluffy. And look at this. That is a good looking croissant.
Chocolate croissant.
Mm-hmm.
And it tastes really good.
It's so like airy and buttery. You can't have none of this, buddy.
Sit. Good sit.
So this is the fit for today. About to head out. Either the Levi's 517, probably my favorite pair of Levi's that I have. Got the Laredo boots, clip, and the ring from the Pony Express. The hat and the shirt are Trad Band, absolutely sick brand. Necklaces are from Degs & Sal. So is the silver bracelet. The turquoise bracelet is from the Steel Shop, as well as the wedding band that has the date of my anniversary on it. Clocks and Colors ring, vintage dad ring. Sunnies are Johann Wolf. Make sure if you like the Sunnies, use the code Blue Collar Prep for how much off?
Degs & Sal and Johann Wolf codes in the description.
We're gonna head to the party. First, we're gonna get the wife in here so you can see her fit. She looks super sexy. No Sunnies?
I don't know where they are. These are hammy shorts, archery design ringer tee, slides I've had forever, and that's it. He wore a ringer tee, so I figured let me vibe off him and also wear a ringer tee.
I think she looks a lot cuter than me personally.
No, well, cuter, and you look sexy. It's two different words here. Like, subscribe, comment, you know, all that stuff.
What is this, YouTube?
Yeah, it's YouTube.
I don't even know what we're doing right now. All right, so if you like my fit, if you like her fit, like, subscribe, leave a comment.